How to see profile overview on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily see your profile overview on Facebook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're on your Facebook app you have to tap on the top right side here on your profile picture or the three lines, and then here scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings, and here in settings tap on profile settings, then here scroll down, and in your Facebook information tap on access profile information, and here you will see your recent activity, your primary location, and then here you will see your information, your activity across Facebook, personal information, connections, login information, security and login information, apps and websites, and all of this information. If you want to download your information you can tap here, and this is how you can see your profile overview on Facebook. Thanks for watching.